Okay, now we'll discuss this next thing, that is escalator. Generally, this escalator is situated in big shopping malls where large movement of traffic is there, large movement of public is there. Escalator, a moving staircase. It's a moving staircase, a conveyor, transport device for carrying people, transport device for carrying people between the floors of a building, between the floors of a building. Consists of a motor driven chain of individual linked steps that move up or down on the tracks, allowing the steps treads to remain horizontal. Very very important, the steps are always remaining horizontal. It's a motor driven, so inside when you see the cross section, there are motor driven chains are there. On that chains links are there, links will linking with the steps is there, so the steps will move on these tracks. Okay, like this the steps will move on the tracks, and these are used to move pedestrian traffic in places where elevators would be impractical, like shopping malls, airport, convention. Okay, so where large number of traffic or public is there, you cannot go for lift. Okay, it will be uneconomical. Okay. Can you see this one, the cross sectional or different element? So the components are landing platform, this and this are the landing platform. Okay, truss, this encase total, this portion is called as a truss. Okay, so steps, these are the horizontal small things are steps. Tracks means this continuous movement of the steps where it is there, no, these are called as tracks. Handrail means the where person will keep their hand. Okay, these are called as handles. Can you see this is called as a sprocket, this is called as motor. Okay, motor, sprocket, motor driven. Okay, this is intermediate, this will make the steps to arrange, steps to make a horizontal incline like that. Okay, it will make that one. These are called as a truss part. Okay, these are all called as truss part. Main track, trailing track, moving handrail. Okay, sprocket bottom. This is also called as a sprocket bottom. So we have generally two types of sprockets. Nothing but a electrical motor driven chain pulley arrangement. Okay, balustrade or handrail means these are the balustrades or handle components. Okay, it's for safety purpose. Okay, there is a board, desk board, interior panel, moving handrail. This is a part of the step riser. Okay, this is a tread. Okay, these are the common things. Can see the cross section can have, this is balustrade or handrail. Okay, this portion, this is a handrail drive. Okay, this is for movement of this, so that is arrangement is made here. Okay, steps, individual steps are there, so there is a link between this and this, small rollers are there. Okay, these are moving belt. Okay, these are called as the moving belts. So one sprocket, bottom sprocket, top sprocket. Okay, this is for balustrade movement, this is the electrical motor. These are the basic components which help you to create. So okay, now the core of escalator is pair of chains. This is the chain, core of escalator, core of chain looped around two pairs of gears. What are two gears? One, two pairs of gears, and electrical motor runs on it. This is the electrical motor. This two are dependent upon this. Okay, the motor chain system are housed inside the truss. So this motor, sprocket, chain, everything is inside the truss, is all inside the truss. Okay, it's a metal structure. As the chains move, the steps always stay level. Okay, as this chain is continuously moving, the arrangement is made such that these steps are always remain horizontal. It's always remain horizontal. Okay, at the top and bottom of the escalator, the steps collapse on each other, creating a flat platform. So here at this top, at this bottom, steps collapse, creating the flat platform. Okay, to make it easier to get get on and get off. Okay, so now you can see the cutted section. So here it is the sprocket, the motor. Okay, top sprocket, motor. This is for the steps or balustrade movement. Okay, so like that. Okay, these are the cross section elements. Different sizes and application. See, you can see the classification. Very very small, medium, large. These are the spaces or width of that between the balustrade. Means 1 and 2 balustrades are there, no? So this gap is generally called as width. So we have 400, 600, 800, 1000 mm. Okay. Here, what is the capacity? One passenger with feet closed. Here, one passenger can stay easily, relaxedly. One passenger plus one package. Here, two passengers. Okay, like that capacity is there. So one passenger, two passenger, like that path is there. So applications very rare. Okay, nowadays the medium sized are generally used. Here in small buildings it can be used. Here shopping malls. Okay, here metro system, airport system. So these type of things are used. Okay. So escalators may be horizontal or inclined. Both way it is possible. Okay. So we have high speed walkways. We have inclined walkways also. Moving walkway, or we can call it as a travelator, generally called as a travelator. A slow moving conveyor mechanism that supports people across a horizontal or inclined plane over a short to medium distance. This is a short distance moving platform. Okay, generally situated in the airport. Can be used by standing, walking on them. They are often installed in pairs, one for each direction. So one, two directions are there and are built in one of the two basic style, pallet type, moving belt. So if it is continuously moving itself, it is called as the moving belt type. Otherwise, some small pallets are used. A continuous series of flat metal plates joined together to form a walkway is generally we call them as a pallet type, otherwise continuous moving belt type. Okay, now high speed walkways, using this high speed walkways is like using any other moving walkway, except that for safety there are special procedures to follow. There are special procedures to follow when joining or leaving. Some safety methods are there because of it is moving in a high speed. Riders must have at least one hand free to hold the handrail. Means for safety purpose, he should hold one side. Those carrying bags, shopping, etc. or must use ordinary walkway nearby. Okay. The riders stand still with both feet on the metal rollers and let it pull them so that they glide over the rollers. Means what? The below the steps there are rollers. They have to stand still. That roller itself along with the steps will move forward. Okay. Inclined moving walkways. What do you mean by this one? It is used to move people to another floor so that people can take longer suitcase, trolley, shopping cart, baby carriage. Okay, so these are inclined one. Okay, these are inclined one from another one floor to another floor, so the people can take their utensils or baby carriage. Okay. The cards have either a brake that is automatically applied. So these have automatic braking system, strong magnets in the wheels to stay adhered to the floor. So these have magnetic application also. Or specially designed wheels that secure the cart within the grooves of the ramp. So these have grooves so that the carts have been fixed. Okay, grooves on the ramp. So that wheeled items travel alongside the riders and do not slip away. Okay, both way it is possible. So we have high speed walkways, inclined walkways. Okay, so can you see this one? Say horizontal movement can be inclined movement. Okay, so here the rollers is not visible here. Okay, you can see the applications. So it can be used in airport, okay, zoo, theaters, museum, malls, theme park. So here where they are using skiers on a moving walkway. Skiers on moving walkway means what? Where in ice games. Okay, there people generally go the skating and all. They go to the top of the hill. Okay, from there they can do their games. Okay, for that one we have skiers on moving walkway. Can you see the difference between lifts or elevators between escalators? So lifts are closed cabins, but these are open. These are closed cabins inside vertical shaft that are used to transport people between different floors in high-rise building. Okay, escalators are the moving stairways that allow people to move between the floors in a busy places such as shopping malls, airports, railway station. So closed, open. Okay, this is in building. This is in shops, airports, bigger things. Lifts are fast and can move up or down at a greater speeds, preferably vertical movement. These are slow moving and horizontal and inclined movement. Okay, so move up or down using counterweights or traction cables. Okay, the steps of a fixed and linked together and move up but come down from behind. Okay, come down from behind on a conveyor belt that is driven by a motor. Okay, so here moving up and down is there. Here the plates or the steps move around the motor, move around the sprotting arrangement. So here less space is used. Here space is more. Okay, space utilized is more. Space used is same as the staircase and connected to floors. Here the less space is used for its construction as the elevator is limited to the shaft and machine room. Okay, here the space utilization is very less. Okay.